So we got more of the Mosaic. More of it. We got 4 boxes going on. This is break number 4 of the 4 boxers. Brock Purdy bonus on there as well. We got QC cards. D's. Good luck. Vikings fan. Go Blue. Broncos. Pate Dogs. Adobe. Matty G in the top 10. List goes on though. You never know when you're going to get something weird. What's on tap for the Super Bowl? That's a great question. What's on tap for the Super Bowl?
I said we do Eminence for the Super Bowl.
Eminence? I mean, I'm down for that.
Oh, here, I got 5 and 6 over here.
Hit break of Eminence? Question mark? I mean, that's on. Isn't it 10 cards per Eminence?
Only 10 cards.
Oh,
go hard or go home. You want
Exactly.
this for the last Mosaic round?
yeah, sure.
Why not, right?
Yeah.
Make it easier for you?
Yeah, I feel like it should.
Alright, cool.
Hopefully. Breaking the seals on the case.
Yeah.
Can we get a Brock Purdy hot case? Can we pray for that? I'm going to take these top 4 and then scoot this thing away from me. We're going to be reaching out of it here soon enough. All right. Mosaic. Do yo thing. Okay. Here it is. Fresh out the box. Pack fresh, you might say. Arnold Ibiki. Jason Taylor, and we got a Patty Cakes on the silver. Is anyone already making arrangements for the National? I mean, that's also going to be here before you know it.
No way.
Peyton Manning? Isn't it Chicago this year? I think it's like Chicago or it's Cleveland. Some weird Chargers love would be wonderful. How about a gold Justin Herbert? That would be great. Kenny Golladay. Trent McDuffie. And we got a Matt Stafford. Come on now. Aiden Hutchinson on the silver. I like that. Go Ducks. There you go. Nico Collins. And it's going to be Travis Kelce. Out of 49, the Men of Mastery. That's for MX. Or sorry, QC. All right, some more purple. Danny Gray. That's for Vikings fan out of 49. Jordan Poyer. And the overdrive of Tony Dorsett. We got Snoop. Oh, our first auto is going to be Lewis Sign. For the Vikings. Law Dog. There it is. Jalen Tolbert. Robert Woods. Come on. Give me something else. Trayvon Walker. Jaquan. Robbie Anderson. A little Antonio Gibson. And a Jerry Rice. Those overdrives always mess me up. Because the backgrounds look like Nebula. Ryan Tannehill. T-Law. And some more patty cakes. Should have another auto coming out of here. Hopefully some more serial number, maybe. Too much to ask for. Andre Rison for Green Bay. Go Ducks, that's you. We got Von Miller, Treylon Burks on the silvers. And last pack. Make it good. Evan Neal. Falcons. It's going to be Desmond Ridder on the blue. Taken out of 99. Broncos. There you go. I like that. A little rookie QB. And then in it to win it, Mike Vrabel. First box down. Take that box this time. so we don't miss it behind all these base cards. Alrighty. Mosaic, do your thing. Or do a thing. Hunter Renfrow. Young Hoku. And then we got the montage of Patrick Mahomes. Honeycomb Purdy asking for $2,500. Wow. There's a patty cakes. Well, I saw just a non-serial numbered auto Purdy up on bids for $600 right now. Still on bids. Lowest asking was like $900. Which is insane. We got Derek Stingley. Nice little Tom Brady. And Patrick Mahomes on the montage. I'll take those silvers. What else? Tony Gonzalez. Cortland Sutton. Is this going to be gold? In it to win it. Rod Smith. 1 out of 10 for the Broncos. First tee. Get you some gold. Get you some gold. I see a little purple coming. It's going to be Juju in the Kansas City uni. 17 out of 49. QC Cards picking that up. We got Peyton Manning silver and a Clinton Portis. This is what I'm talking about. You can see it a little better, but when it has the Mosaic silver on there, it looks like Nebula because it's the blue and, you know. You know. All right. We'll keep it going out of here. Hassan Haskins. Little Tennessee Titans. That's for D's. We got Kevin Bird, Matthew Stafford, an Olave, and a TJ Watt. You guys see JJ Watt is officially retiring? Announced it via Twitter. Tyreek Hill. We got Cameron Thomas and a Devontae Adams swag. See if we can do more. Jameson Williams on the rook. Traylon, Quay. We got Boy, Zach Martin, little Fields, and a Matt Corral blue chips. Christian Watson, a little Alec Pierce, and it's going to be Harrison Butker. The Kansas City kicker. Picking up all the weird stuff, QC. Brandon Cooks, you got Joe Thomas. Last pack out of this box. It's going to be. Well, Kayvon Thibodeau, Malik Willis. Hunter Henry. Hey, yo. How about the Kenny Pickett blue?
Come on now.
Number 2 out of 99.
Dude, that's going to be lit up.
QC's just doing stuff right now. There you go. That's very nice. Last pack of that box. Let me get this base stuff out of here. There we go. Okay. That should do it. Next box. All right. Case hit incoming, question mark. Well, first pack's going to be the auto. It's Troy Anderson. For the Falcons, that's Broncos 76 right there. Got the Deshaun Watson in the Browns uni. Jerry Rice with the red. What else? Trayvon Walker, Jaquan, Joey Bosa, Sam Howell on the silver, and you got Derrick Henry. Swag. What else? Jameson Williams, Bo Melton, Carson Strong, Treylon Burks with the silver. It's more Niners love. It's Joe Montana with the red, and a John Elway silver. Ooh, how about this? Drew Bledsoe auto. Blue out of 49. Good luck. I'll take that. That's kind of cool. And with the color match. Cameron Thomas, Malik Willis, silver. What else is it going to be? Trevor Lawrence, silver. We got Darren Waller, blue out of 99. And Jamal Lewis. In it to win it, silver. Okay. Garrett Wilson, Zamir White. We got Kyle Pitts on the silver. Jeremy Ruckert on the silver. And a Debo. Who else? Donovan McNabb, Bo Melton, and a Hines Ward. How about an Olave silver? Lamar Jackson and C-Mac. Still haven't switched the C-Mac uni to the Niners. We got Olave, Pierre Strong, Logan Hill, Kenneth Walker, Chuba in the blue. Blue chips of Chris Olave. That's 91 out of 99. Matty G picking up some more Saints love.
Olave, super collect.
Exactly. Was that White? Of all guys. Picking up the Jared Goff White. For the Lions. Go Ducks. Here it is. Zach Wilson silver. And then the swagger of Jonathan Taylor. Last box of this round. Is the Purdy in here? We got to do a Purdy somewhere. I got to know from Panini, is Brock Purdy accidentally short or intentionally short? Either way, I'm liking the chase. All right. We got Alan Lazard on the silver. Jahan Dotson and Dalvin Cook silvers as well. Yeah, this isn't... I mean, do we start up the hot case of Olave? That's what this is turning into. We got Randy Moss, Drake Jackson silvers, and Terry Bradshaw center stage. Patrick Mahomes silver, Super Bowl. Amon-Ra St. Brown and more Patrick Mahomes silvers. Take those all day. QC Cards got a bunch of them. George Pickens, Sam Howell. We got Spiller with the silver, Darnell Mooney with the red, and Debo. Stairmasters blue to 99. That's for Vikings fan. Bailey Zapp there. Daxton Hill. Come on. White. Lions, it's Jameson Williams. Go Ducks. There it is. 19 out of 25. We got Taysom Hill and swagger of Patrick. QC, You've got to have all of the inserts in silver by now. MX, I think you're right. We got Jalen Tolbert now. Little Dallas auto. QC cards once again. Marquise Brown, Eli Manning. Well, I'll tell you what, I'm not going to complain about getting all the Olaves.
Right.
John Mechie, Jermaine Johnson, Trey Lance with the silver, Kyle Juszczyk something, and Antonio Gates overdrive. Last 3 packs of the break. Come on, where's the love? Where's the love? Amari Cooper in the Browns uni. We got Eli Manning Super Bowl and a Dalvin Cook silver. Rondé Barber with the auto. That's a white auto though. 25 out of 25.
Hey now.
Tampa.
That's a gap.
There it is.
I'm mad about it.
Browning. And then we got the Kenny Pickett silver right after that. I'll take that as well. Tristan Ebner and last pack. Last pack here. Aiden Hutchinson. We got Russell Wilson silver. Mac Jones on the blue. 7 out of 99. There you go, Patriots. Good luck. And then Randall Cunningham to finish it off. Not bad. Not bad at all. Okay. Nice, healthy stack of serial number and autos. Going out to you. This stack is all silvers. Another healthy stack. And we're going to get this base out of here. Okay. Because we got round 5 and 6 coming up here in a second. Okay. Number 4.